Hey sweeties in Brooklyn and beyond. It might be a little loud in here tonight because it is hot in Brooklyn. The AC is on. I'm trying to hydrate. Yeah, it's hard when you're standing by an oven all day. Anyways, this week might be my favorite cookie kit. I might say that almost every week, but this one might be for real because it is Pride week or month, and normally I would be going to the parade this weekend, but that's not happening. So I'm gonna have to find another way to celebrate all my family and friends and loved ones and extra loved ones that should be proud. And yeah, maybe you were born this way. Let's go. So this week you get a couple extra cookies because I'm feeling extra loving, and you get all the colors of the rainbow because you're gonna need them, and some rainbow sprinkles and probably some unicorn sauce or something else in there. So wash your hands, glove up if you got them, and let's get started. Woo-wee! Look at all of those colors. So, on cookies. When you get your cookie kit this week, you're going to want to put out the parchment paper, and if you want to conserve your tabletop, helps with cleanup, and you're going to get your icing bags and you're going to give them a little massage so that it's natural for the royal icing to separate a little bit. And you want to do this before you clip off the tip, because then it will be cleaner. Alright, so when I do cookies, if you haven't watched the video before, I usually do a little bit of them all at once. So I'm going to start with the mason jar, and because I want it to dry a little bit before I add the finishing touches, and also the rainbow, because I'm going to add a color at a time and let it dry a little bit in between so that the colors don't bleed together. And the hearts are pretty self-explanatory, so, and the mustache, because, you know, in honor of Freddie. So let's go. I'm gonna do the mason jar in blue. I hope you enjoyed the Pride tutorial and that you are staying well and staying sweet. And in the words of Dinah Washington, but slightly different, look to the rainbow and follow the person that follows your dreams. Be well, be sweet, Brooklyn and beyond, and be proud.